All right, you guys ready for Halloween? If you're not, you need to get one of these. This is a skeleton lamp. It's a 5-volt lamp. It has an off and on switch. It's USB and it lights up really bright the entire room. So this is perfect for those that are into Halloween and want to get maybe an ambiance for your living room, your entrance, your doorways, pretty much anywhere. So like I said, it has an off and on switch here. All right, you can turn it off. It has a 5-volt connection. It's a USB. You could plug this to the wall socket too. It comes with a converter, but it's great, beautiful. You guys can see well detailed. Really bright. Perfect for your living room.